Hi viewers, welcome wholeheartedly to Exquisite Escalation, your communication skills augmentative platform at cmol.com.pk. In this 10th Scandinavian and Central European language series, I am going to commence the second Nordic language, the Swedish language. If you have arrived at the juncture where the Swedish language has become an obstacle constraining the acceleration of your ambition to excel in the Swedish environment, then never let your gaze to drift away till the end of this lecture video, because it will be proven the essential step in your Swedish language career. In today's instruction manual, you will learn the basics of Swedish language, alphabet and pronunciation rules. To understand a basic rules of pronunciations creates a natural interest in subject and provides the substantial ground to head into right direction in learning zone comparatively. Some basic elaborations about Swedish language before we come to the main lecture. It is North Germanic language and holds the official status in Sweden and some part of Finland. It is the Nordic language under the Nordic Language Convention spoken by 10 million peoples, including minor Swedish-speaking community in Norway. Along with Danish and Norwegian, Swedish also descendant of Old Norse. That was the common language of Germanic people who lived in Scandinavia during Viking era. Swedish is mutually intelligible with Norwegian and Danish. Swedish native speakers are much comfortable to understand the both languages, especially if it is in written form. In spoken, its vocal tonality, accent and intonation is slightly different. Its words are the same as in other Germanic languages, where the infinitive verb appears at the second position of declarative main clause. If we talk about its alphabet, there are 29 letters in Swedish alphabet, 9 vowels and 20 consonants. Most of these letters are pronounced as in English, and you might be weird as you have listened several times in English. A few of these letters pronounced distinctively, and you require really a legitimate practice to pronounce these letters perfectly. Let's have a look to understand the sounds of alphabet. Swedish alphabet, Svenska alfabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, O, E, Ö. O, E, Ö. These three additional vowels require your concentration with a bit exertion to be pronounced perfectly. The first two vowels in these three vowels aren't much intricate because you're used to listen these vowels in your native dialect, but the last ones, Ö, need much practice to pronounce perfectly. Let me help you. Combine two letters, A, O, and three-step compressions. First, second, third. A, O. The first compression, ow. The second one, ow. The last one, Now you have pronounced perfectly, alright? And now pronunciation rules. In this section, I shall elucidate all these 29 letters with relevant examples to understand their actual sounds while standing at various positions in Swedish words. First, Swedish vowels. Svenska vokaler. There are 9 vowels in Swedish alphabet. Each individual vowel has 2 different sounds while being used as 2 different variations. First as short vowel and second as long vowel. Usually, a single vowel before double consonant in Swedish word is called as short vowel, and a single vowel before single consonant in Swedish word is considered as a long vowel. Here we have all these vowels with relevant examples to understand either it is used as short vowel or long vowel. A. When it is used as short vowel, it is pronounced quickly, compressed sound, A. Lam, thappa, lam, thappa. When it is used as long vowel, then it sounds a bit longer, A, as in gata, far. gata, far. And similarly, ea. Set, penna. Set, penna. Mer, theve. Mer, theve. E. E. Will, thitta. Will, thitta. Leave, beel. Leave, beel. U. Both, null. Both, null. Board, mood. Board, mood. U. Bus, ull. Bus, ull. Gul, hus. Gul, hus. Y. Hydda, hylla. Hydda, hylla. Lysa, dyr. Lysa, dyr. Å. Rutta, åtta. Rutta, åtta. Tåg, sår. Tåg, sår. Rätt, mätt. Rätt, mätt. Länge, färdig. Länge, färdig. Kött, tömma. Kött, tömma. Rör, lösa. Rör, lösa. And now consonants. In this section, I shall eliminate all these 20 consonants with appropriate examples to understand how these are pronounced while standing at various positions in Swedish words. Bear. This letter is pronounced like B, as in bil, book. Bil, book. Säga. If it appears as a first letter in Swedish word before E and U vowel, then it is pronounced like S, as in sickle, cirka. Sickle, cirka. Dea. This letter is pronounced like D, as in dör. Dör. F. It is pronounced like F, as in far, fönster. Far, fönster. Gea. Generally, it is pronounced like G, as in Gova. Gova. When it appears as a first letter in Swedish word before E and A vowel, then it is pronounced like J, as in Gäst, gift. Gäst, gift. At the same position before A vowel, it is pronounced like H, as in general. General. When it appears in the last syllable of Swedish word between A and A vowel, then it is pronounced like sh, as in bagage, garage. Bagage, garage. Ho. This letter is pronounced like h, as in himmel, hörna. J. It is pronounced like j, as in January, jul. January, jul. If it appears at the second position in Swedish word after der, ger, ho and l letters, then these four letters aren't pronounced, that means remain silent. Only J is pronounced, as in jur, judde, hjälp, use. Jur, judde, hjälp, use. Ko. This letter is pronounced like k, as in cafe. Cafe. L. It is pronounced like l, as in lam. Lam. M. This letter is pronounced like m, as in monne. Monne. N. It is pronounced like n, as in nesa. Nesa. P. This letter is pronounced like p, as in postkontor. Postkontor. Q. It is pronounced like k, as in aquarium. Aquarium. R. This letter is pronounced like r, as in runt, rör. Runt, rör. S. It is pronounced like s, as in smur, smur, tear. This letter is pronounced like t, as in thog, thog, wear. It is pronounced like v, as in veen, veen, W. The same pronunciation v, as in wakitaki, wakitaki, x. This letter is pronounced like x, as in vexa, vexa. And the last letter in Swedish alphabet, seta. This letter is pronounced like s, as in Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. And now some consonant combinations, the very essential step in this lecture video, even having minor usage in Swedish language, but its momentousness sustained due to existence in this language. So enormous essential to learn. Ko, ye, te, ye. These both combinations are pronounced like in sh, as in shol, shell, shugo, shol, shell, shugo. S, ko, ye, se, ho, s, se, ho, s, te, ye, s, ye, u. These all combinations are pronounced like h, as in hed, hutta, hokalad, hek, herna, hella, hu, hook. Hed, hutta, hokalad, hek, herna, hella, hu, hook. That's all, viewers. I hope you have learned Swedish alphabet and all essential pronunciation rules in this lesson. Revision of this lecture video will bring you very close to perfect pronunciation assiduously. Stay tuned to smash entire barrier considering your effective communications beyond the borders, and let's talk to world to fulfill your ambitions at your dream destinations. Thank you immensely for your consideration. I shall be back with the next Swedish lecture very soon. Stay safe, keep learning. See you then, guys.